Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Google Calendar to Go High Level in 2024. So today, we're exploring how to seamlessly integrate two essential tools, which is Google Calendar and Go High Levels. Level, of course. By continuing these platform or connecting these platforms together, you can streamline your scheduling processes and manage appointments effectively and stay organized. So in this tutorial, we'll show you the steps or the guide or the process how to do it. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser that you'll use. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to the URL section. First, go to GoHighLevel.com and open a new tab and go to Google Calendar as example. So Google Calendar, or you can simply just type to go right there. So type calendar.google.com and hit the enter button. Should be taken to Google Calendar right away. So make sure to log in into both accounts. Here, normally if it's your first time, like let me just show you. So I'll just type here calendar.google.com, hit the enter button. So if it's your first time, you'll basically have to click on connect at the top right corner. Make sure to connect into your account. If you have like a workspace account, just go and log in into that. Once you're logged in, you find yourself here, and same will be for Go High Level. So click on login at the top right corner. If you have an account, make sure to log in into it. And if you don't, you'll have to go and simply go and create another account. As you can see, you can even you can log in with Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging into your account, or create an account if you don't have one. And you'll be able to start establishing the connection between the two of that. So if you want to connect these two platforms manually, you'll basically have to go and access integrations and Go High Level. So go to your account, go to the left panel, and simply go and click on settings or integrations. Look for the option to connect or integrate with Google Calendar. And basically, you'll have to authorize access to Google Calendar, sync calendar events with Go High Level, configure calendar automation and Go High Level, and then test and deploy the automations. But for me, in this video, I'll use another tool called Zapier. So go and open a new tab, type zapier.com, hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself in their home screen. So if it's your first time, you'll be taken basically to this page. Let me just wait for the page until it's load. So as you can see, you'll find yourself here in this page. So if you have an account by any chance, you can simply go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account. You'll be able to log in with your Google, Facebook, Microsoft if you don't want to do or fill up information manually, and sign up will be kind of the same. You'll be able to create an account manually or use Google if you don't want to fill up all the information manually. It's boring to do it. So if you don't want to, click on Google and you'll be able to create an account. So here, once you're logged into your account or just created your account, you'll find yourself on a dashboard like this. The first thing that we should do is check the apps if it exists in Zapier. So go to the first panel, click on apps. And here, I'll go and look for Go High Level. Normally, I will not find it. Don't worry. But we will use lead connector, which will let us connect to like Go High Level. It's the same. So if we go here and click on connect, as you can see, they'll tell us to connect using API key. So I'll just click on it and they'll take us to connect to our Go High Level account right away. So don't worry, it's the same option. And we'll have to look for Google Calendar. So look for Google Calendar. As you can see, it's in here. So both apps are in here. So just go to the list panel, click on create, then click on Zaps. Once I do so, I'll find myself here. So if you are good at creating like automation stuff, it's actually very easy to master. Not easy, but it will take from you just less time than other things. Like an example here, we can use this AI tool. If you don't want to use all of this as an example, I'll just type connect like Google Calendar to lead connector. It's going to be like Go High Level. So as you can see, this AI will help you build in Zaps from start to finish, suggestions, Zap outlines, add and replacing steps, automatically choose account for steps, and even guidance for completing this stuff. So as you can see, they give me the trigger and the action. I'll just add them. As you can see, it's successfully added. So basically, I have to go to this one as example. I can change the events as example. So the events that's going to trigger Google Calendar example. If I get as example, I don't know, maybe a new event, maybe a new event ended or events canceled or something like that. Account, of course, I'll be able to sign in into that. So I'll click on sign in and make sure to sign in into my Google Calendar. An example, make sure you trust Zapier, of course, don't worry. Click on allow, and as you can see, once you do so, it should be done. It should be connected. Here, as you can see, you'll have to choose which calendar. So if you have more than one calendar, I'll just choose this one. And here you'll be able to test it. So as example, just click on test the trigger. And if it's working, you'll find this check option. As you can see, for me, I have no events found. So if I keep testing it, it seems like it's going to be working, but there's no events found. So they'll not be able. So I'll just click on skip test at the moment. As you can see, because there's no events, but for you, you'll be able to check it. Just go and create some events and check it. The same will be for lead connector. Make sure to click on sign in, as we said before. Go and enter your API key. For me, click on this link and go get your API key. Choose the action, test if it's working. If everything is working, you'll be able to publish it. If you publish it, the automation that you've done here will start working automatically. Whenever you get a new event, as example, this trigger will add lead to campaign, or you can make it add to task, or make it, as example, API requests. You'll be able to do a lot of stuff. Of course, if you want to create another thing, you'll not be able to create more than one thing in this Zap because you are on the free plan. So you'll have to go click on publish to save this, and basically just go and create another Zap and another one and another one until you find yourself with all the automations that you want. And yeah, that's gonna be basically it. So here, of course, if you need any help, you can always use this AI tool. It's like ChatGPT, so you can speak it. As an example, I'll just type what if I wanna, or as an example, I'll just type I wanna change the event of the trigger. And simply I'll have to wait for it. Of course, trigger, I'll need to add 1G, but it's fine. So as you can see, you can change it on the app. So you can click on open steps here, and it will open the steps of changing, as example, that. So basically, just talk to him, and he will help you, or this AI will help you as many times as you want. So that's going to be it for me today. There you have it, of course, for you. By connecting Google Calendar to GoHighLevel, you can streamline your scheduling processes and manage appointments effectively within a single platform. You can use this integration to stay organized, improve productivity, and optimize your time management and dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.